Joyful day, everyone. So, I was 47 when had anxiety. I was a school principal for 14 years, a teacher for 17. And I suddenly realized during that time that I had anxiety that I didn't want to retire at 60. So, I retired last year when I was 52. I just turned 1 year as a retired person. This February too. So, how do you know if you really want to retire? If you feel, number one is you feel so uncomfortable in the environment that you are in. You just have this knowing feeling inside you that wouldn't die, that just says you don't belong here anymore. Or perhaps you didn't even belong here in the first place. Like you don't belong in the 9 to 7. I'm sorry, I don't have scripts. I like being candid and I like being real and authentic. So I'll just tell you whatever, I'll just say whatever. So anyway, um so you really have that feeling that you don't belong there anymore, like the environment is too toxic for you already. And so at that time I decided I want more for my life, and I wanted to rest. I wish I could rest, but I wasn't financially prepared. There were people who came to the school and analyzed they were financial advisors, and they analyzed our money status, our financial status. And I've learned that I thought I had a lot of money at 72,000. And then I suddenly realized, oh no, it wouldn't even last me a year or several months. So when I went back to that, I still kept it until now. If you have insurance, if you have money that you have in the bank, the debt that you have, etc., etc. Oh, I said if suddenly retired at 47, I really didn't have the capacity to. So 5 years later, I'm so glad that I was able to retire. And now, although of course there will always be fear because we've always been so used to the comfort of a salary, to the security of a salary. So um, But there will always be that feeling that I want to get out of here and I need to get ready emotionally, financially, spiritually, in all levels. Like in all levels, you really have to prepare yourself. You cannot just jump out of it because, of course, whether we accept it or not, we need money. We need money to eat. We need money to pay bills. We need money. So those people who says that we don't need money, I don't think they're being very truthful. I don't know. How are you going to live without money? And so I studied financial literacy. I studied personal development. The very first thing that gave me clarity is enrolling in a yoga and meditation class. That class cured me of my anxiety. I learned how to protect my energy. I learned how to balance my energies. And also, I learned to be detached from material things. I like money. I need money, but it doesn't mean my life is so attached to it. Everything is so attached to it. I'm not so attached with emotions, and then, in that line of work, so many people can trigger me. But when I practiced that, it somehow lessened, but it also made me realize even more that I didn't belong in that place and that I had to prepare. So the first thing that I had to learn was to love myself, prioritize myself more, and listen to that voice that is telling you, I need to get out of here. like, I'm sorry, I don't have script. I'm just so candid and authentic. I just like talking, and if somebody learns from this, and if somebody gets the courage to really work on themselves and prepare themselves towards retiring early, that would be so nice. I would be happy if even one person likes this video. But I just suddenly have the urge to share my journey, and I hope somebody will learn from it. And so it all starts with taking care of yourself and really knowing what is it you want. What does your soul tell you? What is it telling you to do? And you have to really listen to that, and you will be guided. And then if you get out of the work, you will be provided. You will be provided. I am provided. I don't have pension. I don't have salary. And I also, of course, I needed to take action. I had to study financial literacy. So when I was, oh, I think I can survive a few years with this, but I don't know if it will last me until 60. But if I will be able to take care of myself for at least a year or two, then I can regroup and have ideas on how to earn more money, and would I can decide if I want to go into business or entrepreneurship, or if I want to go to the back to the 95, because I still have my education with me. Like, I'm still safe with my education, and I also have additional knowledge on financial literacy. And also, guys, I tell you, opportunities will come. If you focus on that, it will come. What you focus on expands. So focus on that. If you want to retire, you focus on that. And you focus on yourself. You focus on financial literacy. How do you get out of the 9 to 5? You plan ahead. And then you also pray. I'm sorry, I'm very spiritual. If there are people there who are not spiritual, I don't think you can relate to this video because I'm really very spiritual. I even believe in manifesting, and I also believe in praying for what you want. So um, that's it. You have to pray for clarity, and you have to work on yourself, love yourself, and then the clarity will come. I recommend you practice yoga and meditation. It's really, really very helpful, not just physically, but balancing your mind, body, soul, your energies, your clarity, your peace, everything. And then it will come. All the ideas will come. I wasn't really ready financially at that time. There were people who came to the school and asked us. They were financial advisors, and they asked us about the current the current status of our finances. So we had to list down our debts. We had to list down the money in the bank, what salary we were earning at the time. And so I thought I had money. But when I listed all of that, oh my God, I cannot afford to retire yet, even though I really, really wanted it. So I gained clarity on what I want. So first, that's the first step. Gain clarity on what you want. Do you really want to retire? And then the next question is, are you ready to retire? So what I did, clarity first. Know myself first. Love myself first. And then some things followed already. I took action. I had to study financial literacy and had to study even more on personal development, because I learned that those two go hand in hand. Like, you will not have lots of money if you're not ready for it. Like, it will just ruin you. So now, a year after my retirement, maybe I will post some of my pictures and my videos, what I do every day, where I go. I love the freedom. I love the peace. And even though my money is just enough for me, it keeps coming. You will be provided. You will be provided. So if somebody watches this, maybe this is the sign that you can retire early if you really want. So number one, focus on yourself, love yourself, and then plan ahead. On the next video, I will share other things that I did. So I escaped the 9 to 5, and so you can too. And thank you for listening. Peace.